So we're going to look at this outdoor TV mount for your gazebo post or any post. In this video, we mounted the gazebo TV mount or the ZeboZap on a 6x6. So here we strapped it around, just one person doing it. So we are holding it with our chest. And then strapping it around the post. Same thing at the bottom. If you see, there's a little ratchet buckle protector. So you just want to align it with a ratchet buckle so that you don't scratch your post. And then the extra strap, you just bundle it and stuck it in. So now we got the adapter in. The next thing is this